Hey guys, I have a quick haul for you guys. I picked up some Christmas stickers and I really wanted to show you guys. I got them off Amazon. I will link them below because Christmas is the time of essence. It is the 6th when I'm recording this. I'll probably put this up tomorrow, but I got these off Amazon. You can get them from Aliexpress, but I was not in time for that. Peach Manifesto hauled some of these and I was like, I have to have them like now. And you know, being that it's forever to get stuff from Amazon or Aliexpress, not Amazon. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I loved the multicolor. So I bought this pack, which is like traditional, and then I bought the multicolor one. So these are decently small, so you can put a couple on there, especially if you are running these types of nails. You can kind of see the size there. These guys are a little bit bigger. This would probably take up majority of the room on my nail, and you could probably have one more. So like, look at that little guy. I'm obsessed. So cute. And again, they're multicolor. Then we have this guy, which is a Merry Christmas one. Has a little bit of a scene, you know, some lights or a string of flowers. Super cute. Be cute if you had like a deer, like a running deer. I think there actually might be one. Yeah, I was gonna say, I think there is one that you could do like a little scene here. I mean, just saying. I'm absolutely loving these. How pretty. And I like that there's some other things, like it's not just Christmas. I mean, it primarily is, but you don't have to have a super, super Christmassy set if you don't want to. And then these two are gonna be gold. Look at the little ornaments. Oh, sorry. How pretty. Got little angels in here. So cute. And then this is also one, I guess I'll show this one first. Here we go. So pretty, but this is one I had opened up because I was using it, but that's the size of the sheet for reference. So it's pretty much exactly what's in the window. Okay, super excited about those. And then I got this as well. So it came with tweezers, and these types of tweezers are so sharp, although these ones don't look that sharp, thankfully. So I can always use more tweezers. And this is a chunk, let me tell you. I think there's like 25 stickers in here. I mean, these just keep going. So they may have them. I'll quickly flip through them. I'm actually gonna do it like this. Let's see if it'll focus. Okay, so we have your reindeer. I mean, you guys can see. Then we have it in gold. So we have one in, okay. So this is the same sticker. Red, gold, and silver. There we go. Might help if I'm in shot. They do have green ones as well. This pack did not have it. Peach Manifesto, she got them, and I think she got every single color, but I'm okay with this one. I could probably do a green set of nails. Like, I just really like that guy. So yeah, so that's that set. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay them all out for you guys. Instead of me being like, oh, this is them in silver, this is them in gold. Okay, here we go. Super cute. I kind of like that there's a ton of trees. Do y'all remember, please tell me I am not the only aged person on this platform that would remember this, that there was like this skiing game and it was like these triangles. Every time I see like a collection of trees, I always think of that skiing game where you had to go through all these triangles and not get hit. I was really good at that game. Please tell me I'm not the only one. And then we have this one. This one's a little bit more swirly, which I kind of like, add some variety. And you kind of have like these lights up here. I think that's a really good like something that you could add to your nails. I cannot speak apparently. And you have, of course, more Merry Christmas. This one looks a little bit more party. Ooh, they got some gingerbread. All right, I gotta do a gingerbread nail because I think that's just calling my name. Like, look at how cute that is. I have an idea. We gonna do it, okay? Hopefully in time. And then we have this guy. So this is one long sticker. I don't know, maybe there you can see it. It's one long sticker. I probably would never be able to put that on a nail, but it's kind of cool. Then you have, I think, Happy New Year. Yep, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, some mittens, little snowman down there. So cute. I'm really happy with this. Okay, this is exciting. You get a whole thing of deers. Might help if I just grabbed one. So, you know, remember that scene I was kind of talking about earlier? This would be perfect. Like, look at how big these are. So this, like, you actually can probably see their face versus, you know, sometimes you get them like super, super, super tiny. And then you're like, okay, what is that? It's a blip. No, you can actually see that this is like pouncing. Like, you could probably, I can do that. There we go. I'll come up a little bit closer. Like, that would be fully on the nail. So I'm excited about that. On to the next one. Second to last one, I promise. All right, so this one has some Santa face. Oh, I do like, I guess I like deer apparently, or reindeer, that this is just the face. So you would get that super punctual, like that is a reindeer. Then you have some Santas in there, some foliage. I'm really liking this set too. And then you have candy canes on this one. Did I mix them up? I did. I'm like, wait, I don't remember candy canes. Candy cane, candy cane. Okay, this is him. My bad. Jumping ahead of myself. So, again, love them. Man, I'm totally into stickers. I know that's like the thing right now, but I'm just feeling it. All right. So, now we on to more foliage. I'm loving this. This would be a really pretty winter set. And I'm sorry, you can't see it up here. I'm talking about like all that stuff. That would be super pretty. You know what? I do have another sticker haul from Aliexpress. I'm gonna throw that in this as well. All right, I've had these around for maybe a week or two, maybe a little bit longer. And I was gonna wait till I got like a bunch of more stuff from Aliexpress, but I'll just throw it in here since we're doing a lot of stickers again. I'm doing the sticker thing. So if you saw my Louis Vuitton set, this is that sticker sheet I used. I will link the shop below. Just go ahead and message them and ask for what is actually shown in the photos. So I cannot draw to save my life. I've been practicing. You guys know if you've been watching me, I'm trying, but I would never be able to do this. So stickers it is. And then this is that same one I had picked up. So I'm loving the black and white. So you can see I picked up quite a few of them. And then we have the Chanel logos, which would have been so much better for that Chanel one that I used. Vito T something, I think was his username on Instagram. His stuff is absolutely beautiful. So I got this in black, silver, and gold, but the black is the one you're gonna actually be able to see. Silver, gold, and I did most of the ones that are going to be like random sheets. I got them in every single color. And then Louis Vuitton again, I cannot do these to save my life. So I just went ahead and picked up 2 of these in gold. I got one in black, one in white, and then one in silver. Next, we got Chanel, which you're not gonna be able to see the white one because I have a white background. Super pretty. I love these down here as well, the flowers. So I'm excited about that. Oh, and I have it in white. Did I already do white? No, I'm losing my thought here. Gold. Then I got this one, which has a little mix. I love the bows down here. Got 2 of those. And then I got it in white, silver, and then the black. I got some Dior. I got one white, black, silver, and gold. But that is the sticker. And I do like the size of these stickers. Like, that's just gonna look so cute. Maybe I'll put some of these ones on my nail now, because that's like really cute. So yeah, that was actually a pretty big sticker haul. Again, these ones are from Aliexpress, so, oops, that's upside down. I don't even know how these are facing anymore. And the other two are from Amazon, but this is not holiday related. So I had a ton of stuff. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.